What if you could stay at a Disney World resort where you can walk to Magic Kingdom in under 10 minutes and watch the fireworks from your own balcony? Today, we're staying at Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort, one of the most sought after hotels at Walt Disney World. From massive villas with full kitchens to a private rooftop lounge with unbeatable firework views, we're giving you a complete, honest tour. We'll show you the rooms, the pools, the dining, the exclusive top of the world lounge, and of course, that famous walk to Magic Kingdom. So you can decide if Bay Lake Tower is actually worth the price for your next Disney vacation.
I'm Lee with All About the Duck.
And when you arrive at Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort, one of the first things you understand is how these two buildings work together. Bay Lake Tower is a Disney Vacation Club property. That curved building sitting right next to the iconic A frame Contemporary. While it has its own quiet, separate check in, it really functions as a sister resort. Staying here means you share all of the Contemporary's amenities, the restaurants, the shops, and yes, that incredible, convenient monorail station. Bew- Before we go any further, a quick planning note. Disney has announced a major refurbishment for both the Contemporary and Bay Lake Tower, expected to run through late 2027. That means you may see or hear construction during your stay, which is something to keep in mind when choosing dates. The lobby itself is modern and understated. It's not one of those massive, dramatic spaces like you'll find at some deluxe resorts. Instead, it's calm and almost serene with glass columns, warm wood accents, and views overlooking the courtyard and Bay Lake. It feels quite exclusive. But the real reason people book this resort is waiting upstairs. Let's go see the room. We're in a one-bedroom villa with a theme park view, and this is where Bay Lake Tower really shines. These aren't standard hotel rooms, they're full apartments designed for longer stays. Right when you walk in, you're greeted by a full size kitchen, which is a huge win for families. You've got a full refrigerator, stove, oven, microwave, dishwasher, and a complete set of cookware and dishes. If you're trying to save money on food or just want the option to eat breakfast before heading to the parks, this setup makes a big difference. Recent updates added teal tile backsplashes and modern furniture that feels both comfortable and upscale. The island with bar stools is perfect for quick breakfasts, park planning, or late night snacks after fireworks. The living area is spacious and well thought out. There's a queen sleeper sofa and an additional pull down bunk style bed, making this a great option for families with kids. The artwork throughout the room is stand out. Subtle nods to attractions like Big Thunder Mountain and the Main Street Electrical Parade that really tie the space to the park next door. And yes, there's a large TV, but let's be honest, the real screen is outside. Every villa has a private balcony, and this is what people dream about. From here, we have a direct view of Magic Kingdom, Space Mountain, the monorail gliding by, and Cinderella Castle right in front of us. This is one of the best in room views you can get anywhere on Disney property. The master bedroom feels like its own retreat, with a king size bed and another TV. But one of the biggest advantages of the bedroom villas is the bathrooms. You get two full bathrooms, one with a large soaking tub and one with a walk in shower off the main living area. If you're traveling with a family, this alone can make mornings dramatically easier. Bay Lake Tower also offers deluxe studios that sleep up to four, though they're tighter and have a kitchenette instead of a full kitchen. On the larger end, there are two-bedroom villas that sleep up to nine and three-bedroom grand villas that sleep 12. Some of the most impressive accommodations at Walt Disney World. As great as the rooms are, you're still at Disney, and the amenities here are designed for both relaxation and fun. The main feature is the Bay Cove Pool, exclusive to Bay Lake Tower guests. It includes a zero entry area for kids, a dedicated water play zone, and a 148-foot water slide built with glowing glass blocks that look especially cool at night. There's also the Cove Bar nearby for drinks and snacks. Important planning note here. The Bay Cove Pool, Cove Bar, and Water Play area are currently closed for maintenance and are expected to reopen in early May of 2026. During that time, guests can still use all of the pools at the Contemporary Resort. For more active options, you'll find sand volleyball, a full basketball court, and lighted tennis and pickleball courts. Equipment is available at the community hall, which is honestly a hidden gem. Inside, you'll find free ping pong, video games, board games, and scheduled activities like Mickey tie dye and crafts. Because you're right on Bay Lake, the Contemporary Marina offers boat rentals, guided fishing, and specialty fireworks cruises. In the evenings, there are campfires with s'mores, movies under the stars, and the classic electrical water pageant floating right past the resort. A piece of Disney history that still feels magical. One of the most unique features of Bay Lake Tower is the Skyway Bridge. This covered open air walkway connects the fifth floor of Bay Lake Tower directly to the fourth floor of the Contemporary's Grand Canyon Concourse. Walking across the monorail gliding right beside you is one of the subtle Disney moments that never gets old. Once inside the Contemporary, you have immediate access to its shops and some of the best dining on property. This includes Steakhouse 71, Chef Mickey's Character Dining, and the signature California Grill on the 15th floor, known for its incredible food and prime firework views. You're also steps away from the monorail, which connects you to the Polynesian, Grand Floridian, and Epcot via the Transportation and Ticket Center. Bay Lake Tower's most exclusive perk is the Top of the World Lounge, located on the 16th floor. This space is available to eligible Disney Vacation Club members and their guests and has recently been rethemed into a villains inspired lounge. The real highlights is the outdoor observation deck, which offers one of the most perfectly centered views of Magic Kingdom fireworks anywhere. Disney pipes in the show music so you can get the full experience without the crowds. As of January 1st of 2026, reservations are accepted for complimentary fireworks viewing on the terrace, though walk-ups may still be available depending on capacity. It's an incredible perk that makes staying here feel truly special. Now let's talk about the single biggest reason people choose Bay Lake Tower, the walk to Magic Kingdom. From the lobby to the park entrance is a flat, straightforward walk that takes about 7 to 10 minutes. You follow the sidewalk, cross one street at a traffic light, past the bus stops, and suddenly you're at the park. There's even a dedicated security checkpoint for guests walking from Bay Lake Tower and the Contemporary, which is often much faster than the main security lines. Being able to walk back to your room after fireworks while thousands of guests are waiting for buses, monorails, and boats is a luxury that's hard to overstate. It changes how you experience a park day, making it easy to head back for a break or swim or a quick nap without losing valuable vacation time. So, what's the final verdict on Bay Lake Tower? The pros are clear. The location is unbeatable. The villas are ideal for families, and the views, especially of Magic Kingdom, are truly special. Very few resorts combine this level of convenience with this much space. On the downside, it is expensive, and the price reflects that prime location. Deluxe studios can feel tight, and because you share amenities with the Contemporary, it's not the best choice if you're looking for a quiet, secluded resort. Our take is simple. If your trip revolves around Magic Kingdom and you value space, convenience, and unforgettable views, Bay Lake Tower is hard to beat. It offers a unique blend of home style comfort and non-stop Disney magic that very few resorts can match. If this guide helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more in depth Disney resort tours. And let us know in the comments, is that walk to Magic Kingdom worth the price to you? Or would you rather stay somewhere quieter? Thanks for watching. And as always, see you real soon.